This is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali Ultimate in the white frost tri-coat, and we just gave this a full stage 2 customization. In this video, I'm going to compare what this truck looks like before and after our customization, and then I'm going to show you everything that we did to this truck. So before we customized it, that truck looked exactly like this when it came to our dealership from the factory. And because it's a Denali Ultimate, it already has a very distinct look, specifically because of the Vader Chrome grille, the Vader Chrome emblems in the front and the back, and this black grille surround. Since the Denali Ultimate has pretty much every feature that you'd want, your only options are going to be color, which is the white frost tri-coat, and a fifth wheel gooseneck package, which this truck and that truck already have. So now let's talk about everything that we did to this truck here. So this truck received the Stage 2 customization, which is the full suite of custom options. That includes, but isn't limited to, stuff like a full chrome delete, upgraded wheels and tires, as well as a retractable bed cover. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our channel and how we do our chrome deletes, we essentially take every chrome piece off the truck, sand it down, put it through an extensive painting process in our on-site paint booth, and then once everything is dry and passes a quality inspection, we put everything back on the truck. For this truck, we did not chrome delete both GMC emblems. Both of the emblems have been upgraded, but in different ways. For the front, we just replaced the factory emblem with this black illuminated emblem. Now, it's kind of hard to see in the daylight right now, but this will turn on with your headlights. And a lot of people don't know this, but the GMC emblem is actually made up of a lot of different pieces. It's not just one singular piece. Even the letters themselves are made up of 2 different pieces. So these are all taken apart, sanded down, painted individually, and then placed back on the truck once they're dry and pass a quality inspection. So unlike the half-ton trucks, these HD trucks also have an extra emblem here on the bumper. These are also taken off, sanded down, painted, and then placed back right here in the bumper. Now, for the wheels and tires, we keep things pretty simple. We keep the factory 22-inch wheel. As for the tire, we replace the all-terrain factory tire with a NITTO Trail Grappler tire. Now, on the half-tons and the GMC Yukons, we're usually going with a Ridge Grappler. For the bigger HD trucks, we stick with a Trail Grappler tire. And you can see the specs on the screen right here. Now, looking through the spokes of the wheel, you can see the red GMC brake caliper cover. Now, sometimes when we put on the black brake caliper cover, it's kind of hard to see on video, but with the red, it easily pops on the screen. And to cap this section off, looking way back here, you'll see that we installed a 3.5-inch lift kit from ReadyLift. Now, as you may have guessed, these windows are tinted, as are the turn indicators on the outside mirror. This is something that we started to do a couple years ago when the 2023 GMC Sierras were on our lot. And ever since then, it's been a routine upgrade. And then you'll also see that we installed these window guards from GMC Accessories. Now, earlier in the video, I said that we take off nearly every piece of chrome and paint it, and that's because there are some items that we just don't paint. And those items are the side window trim and the running boards. And these 2 items are vinyl wrapped. Now, for stage 1 customizations, we install the hard tri-fold bed cover. But for stage 2, we like to install these remote controlled bed covers. Now, these bed covers are from Roll and Lock. And these are very simple to use. So one press of this button opens up the truck bed all the way. You can click it again to stop, and then you can click it again to close. And again, you just need to click. I'm not holding this down, and it'll go all the way back. And then inside, you'll have an LED light underneath, which again is also controlled by the remote control. And just as a reminder, because this is an HD Denali Ultimate, you will have the kicker Bluetooth stereo in the back. This is completely independent of your cabin stereo system, and you can control it with your phone, or you can click these nice, soft, waterproof buttons out here. And then you'll also get the standard multi-pro tailgate with the grip right here. Now, we don't customize anything on the inside except for put in some GMC all-weather floor liners, but I get requests all the time to see the inside of these trucks, so let's take a look inside. Now, as of the publishing of this video, this truck is still available up on our website. I've put some links below, not only to this truck, but to the rest of our customs inventory. Now, if you want to see more of our HD truck customizations, you can click the playlist on the left, or you can check out our most previous customization, a Sierra 1500 Denali, by clicking the video on the right. And as always, you can subscribe for more video content like this.